Last week I went to a music festival. As it is summer, there are a lot of music festivals at the moment. The weather is great, it is warm, and it's a great time to enjoy live music outdoors. I don't know if you have been to a music festival recently, but the new way of entering is by wearing a bracelet. The bracelet has a code on it, and this means that you don't need to print off your tickets or have your tickets on your phone. The last time that I went to a festival, which was about 5 years ago, I had to print my tickets off, and it was a lot worse because the queues were very long as somebody had to check every single ticket. However, last week when I went to the festival, I noticed that even though the queue was really long, we entered the festival in about 15 minutes. When we first entered, everybody seemed really excited. Some people were wearing glitter on their faces, other people were wearing funky hats, and it looked like everybody had just come to have a great time. I had gone to the festival to see one artist in particular, so I decided to go straight to that stage. There was one act before them, but I preferred to get there early to be at the front. I had never seen this artist before, so I wanted to see them up close. When the artist came on stage, everybody started singing and dancing. The performances were amazing, and it was great because the crowd was very excited to be there. Also, the lineup, which is basically the list of the artists who are going to perform at a festival, contained artists of the same genre. They were all rock artists. So that was good because all of the festival goers, who are the people that went to the festival, all liked rock music. This created a great atmosphere. As I said before, I first saw an artist who I had never heard of before, so it was great to get to know that singer. And since I went to the festival, I have been playing their music on Spotify, and I really enjoy it. Of course, the artist that I went to the festival for was amazing. However, they weren't one of the headliners of the festival. Headliners are the artists that are at the top of the list in a festival. They are normally written in very big letters because they are the most famous. Headliners usually perform for about 1.5 hours, whereas the other artists only perform for 1 hour. So it was a shame that my favorite artist wasn't a headliner because they only performed for 50 minutes. After that performance, I decided to go for a walk around the festival. There were lots of food trucks and stalls that sold merchandise. Merchandise are the hats, t-shirts, and other accessories that they sell at a festival or a concert, and they normally are of the artists that are performing at the festival. In this case, I didn't buy any merchandise because a t-shirt was £40, which is quite a lot of money. That is about half the price of the ticket of the festival. There were lots of different activities going on at the same time as the live music. For example, there were stands where you could play bingo, stands where you could have your makeup or your hair done, and things like that. I didn't really do any of these activities because when I am at a music festival, I prefer to enjoy the live music. As I said before, the new system of the bracelets as tickets was also great for paying when you were in the festival. For example, if you wanted to buy a drink or some food or even a t-shirt at the merchandise stall, you had to pay with your bracelet. That means that you don't have to take cash to the festival. There are machines where you can recharge your bracelet with money, or you can also do it on the app. You could even recharge it before you went to the festival. So not only did the bracelets reduce the queue at the start of the festival, but also during the festival as well, because it didn't take so long to buy food or drinks, as people didn't have to get their card out of their purse or take money out of their purses. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.